A couple of new faces here para sa Bulacan. They have Carandang and Tansoko joining Ubalde. That was a big loss para sa kanila last year, especially because he was the leading scorer for them the season previous to that. And that's why they kind of struggled. And I believe he will be playing for Mindoro this year. I did see him on the roster, but he did not see action yet a couple of days ago as Ablaza scores on the break.
The trailer. Three-pointer. Wala. Apinan and Hernandez battling for it. And Hernandez flexes on him.
Despite
Ubalde quickly to Carandang, who will lay it in for two.
say all you want about Paulo Ubalde,
De La Virgen is open. MJ De La Virgen too strong on the three. Inside they go. Donoche is off to a really good start as well. Long bomb, harms Hui, galing sa kay Roy Kayanan na pabate as Tansoko knocks down the triple. Asuncion puts the ball on the deck, gets away. Nice pass. Asuncion to Ablaza.
they really don't seem to be rattled, going nowhere with that possession. The last moment got that emergency pass to Ablaza.
Ibanez, nice looking stroke.
You mentioned that he was defensive linchpin when
Hernandez. That's Levy Hernandez. Kasama niya si King Importante. Hernandez steps into that three and knocks it down.
right off the bench. Levy Hernandez doesn't need a lot.
From Masters. Porter, the fadeaway. Yes.
Happy to see Chris Porter back in professional basketball.
RJ Ramirez, they go to Porter. Nice matchup with Hernandez. Porter fading away and gives Hernandez the look.
He's always had that great soft touch. He loved high school.
Carandang. Tansoko.
Well, if Chris Porter will be knocking down jumpers, Tansoko.
21 to 15. This is our end of first quarter score, brought to you by GameX. 21 to 15. Under 9 minutes remaining. Here in the second period, Hernandez puts it in for two.
What he's proven from last year is that he has really great.
Ramirez uses the Porter pick. Ramirez jumper is good.
Jumper converted by RJ Ramirez, but give credit to Chris Porter for
Ubalde crossover. Arim staying with him. The turnaround shot. Paulo Ubalde.
and he makes Sonny Larimno.
Lenore pinasok na sa Batangas, and Kenosico's also on the floor. And RJ Ramirez sticking that follow through in. Alam mo talaga no, pag dumikit yung follow through.
Oh, good.
Oo. Osicos, yes.
He's really money from that range. The perimeter game of Kenos past couple of years, and now under this new team, the Bulacan Buyas.
Arim from the corner. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Andrea. One thing's for sure, baka hindi kami pwede doon. Levy Hernandez sinks the three, and Chris Porter, a good addition to Batangas team, like Batangas, but he has the license to shoot sa team na to.
Definitely, and you know, it's him and John Valoria who share that responsibility, especially
from Melegrito. And he gives it up to Paulo Ubalde, is now up to 9 points. One quick ones from Paulo. Ubalde gets it to Nino Ibanez. Ibanez, dire-derecho si Nino Ibanez. And what a response from Bulacan.
he has to keep his emotions in check. You know, that's something that as a young player he will learn as he goes through his career. Good thing this year he has someone like
Oh, what a shot right there from Panisales. Bulacan with the lead to end the first half. Final sequence of the first half at the end. And this halftime score is brought to you by Game X. Bulacan 36, Batangas City 35. Mark Andales, crossover, attacks and finishes against Seda Blaza.
Boy, that was quite the tough move.
Karandang, medyo masikip. Osicos, corner three, and he knocks it down.
Well, now we're seeing the result of the early practice.
Asuncion, mintis ang kanyang tres. Ochea gets the tap and scores on the left-handed hook. Asuncion, nakabantay sa kanya. Osicos fires and hits. There's the two-pointer. Stepped on the line. Apinanong, the rejection from Lawrence Malyari.
Malyari.
Andales makes his move. Another. He's been terrific.
That they can respond in these types of situations. It was a test for them and they responded well.
Levy Hernandez had to adjust shot. Meron na siyang 8 points. So Balde. Paulo Balde. Sumabit si De La Vergen. Ochea, he will score and we are tied.
That's Batangas.
De La Vergen ahead to Levy. Hernandez, derecho, and Batangas has regained the lead. 10 points para kay Levy Hernandez. Second.
Keep in step with him and also the height, making it hard for Paulo to make plays.
Levy Hernandez. Hernandez inside they go. Ablasa easy two.
Karandang caught ball watching on that play. Didn't realize that.
This move. And Karandang banks it in.
That's a big shot right there by Karandang to be able to stop the run by Batangas, but Hernandez continues to hit here for Batangas City. This third quarter attack.
Another steal, and CJ Isit, easy two. Rim, 5 to shoot. Porter getting position underneath, and Chris Porter finishes. It's an 8. Now have an 8-point lead against the Bulacan Cuyas. This end of third quarter score is brought to you by Game X. Gets his own miss, Karandang. Lumapit, and he banks it in.
He might just be that spark plug here for later.
Montero in a foot race with Importante, and he scores.
At least for Bulacan, they get to stop quickly on the other.
Their bearings here. Karandang for 3. That's good.
And that's the key for Bulacan. They have to be unpredictable because I think that was too quick of a shot after a timeout for Batangas.
Again. Paulo Balde. There were 13 points para kay Paulo Balde. He completes the 3-point play. Levy. Oh, tough finish.
When they're patient, when they're moving that basketball, good things happen.
Kick out papunta sa shooter like Levy Hernandez because wala na. Nasa kanya na yung advantage pagkahawak niya na yung bola.
Yeah, that's...
Ramirez uses the up and unpick. Ablasa sa ilalim and Ochea. Bumaw. Ramirez on the move and he scores.
RJ Ramirez, always an X factor for any team that he plays for.
No. Hernandez long rebound. Ablasa leaking out and he scores on the layup.
That's the problem when you try to, it's right there for the Cuyas.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Game X. Ochea puts it back in. Hernandez fighting for position against Ibanez. Here he comes. Levy will lay it in.
That's just too easy for Levy Hernandez. He's had his way at
It's not going to be easy for everyone in the league. And with that performance of Bulacan, pwede mo na silang markahan sa mga teams natin dito. This final score is brought to you by Game X, 76